What's up, Greenwich Village real estate people? It's me, David, with Serhant, the greatest real estate brokerage in the history of the known universe. At one of my newest listings, apartment 2D, here at 100 West 12th Street. The 5 things I love about this listing are, number 1, this dining room table. Easily seat 8 to 10 people in your large 1-bedroom. Number 2, this incredibly beautifully renovated apartment, which is in excellent condition everywhere you look. Number 3, this corner exposure. Number 4, this elegantly customizable closet. And number 5, this huge bedroom. It's very versatile. If you're curious about learning more about apartment 2D here at 100 West 12th Street, please reach out to me, David.Rosen of the Rosen team at Serhant. I am the key.